When you see one function divided by another, don't panic. There's a fast rule for that. The quotient rule is your go-to tool whenever you need to differentiate a fraction where both the numerator and denominator are functions of x. Let me show you how the quotient rule works. When do we use the quotient rule? We use it when one function is divided by another and simplifying first is inconvenient, or it's perfect for rational expressions where expanding would create more work. Some common examples include f of x equals x squared over x plus 1, or f of x equals 3x minus 1 over x squared plus 4, or f of x equals e to the power x over x. These are all rational functions where you would use the quotient rule in order to find their derivatives. Here's the quotient rule formula. If f of x equals u of x over v of x, then the derivative is f prime of x equals u prime times v minus u times v prime all over v squared. Here's a memory trick. Low d high minus high d low over low squared. This mnemonic helps you remember. Take the derivative of the top, multiply by the bottom, subtract the top times the derivative of the bottom, then divide everything by the bottom squared. Here's our first example. We want to find the derivative of f of x equals x squared over x plus 1. First, let's identify u and v. U is our numerator, x squared, and v is our denominator, x plus 1. The derivative of u, that is u prime, will be equal to 2x, and the derivative of v, v prime, will be equal to 1. Now let's apply the quotient rule. F prime of x will be equal to u prime, that is 2x, times v, which is our denominator, x plus 1, minus u, which is x squared, times the derivative of v, which is 1, all divided by denominator squared, which is x plus 1 squared. Now we can simplify the numerator. We have 2x times x, which is 2x squared, minus x squared times 1, which is x squared. That will be equal to x squared, plus 2x times 1 is 2x. And that's all over x plus 1 squared. So that is the derivative of the function f of x. F prime of x is equal to x squared plus 2x over x plus 1 squared. If this helps, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's look at our second example. We want to find the derivative of f of x equals 3x minus 1 over x plus 4, over x squared plus 4, sorry. First, let's identify our components. U is our numerator, that is 3x minus 1, and its derivative u prime is equal to 3. V is equal to x squared plus 4, and its derivative v prime is equal to 2x. Now we can apply the formula. F prime of x will be equal to derivative of u, which is 3, times v, which is x squared plus 4, minus u, which is 3x minus 1, times the derivative of v, which is 2x. Notice how every term is in parentheses, and all that divided by v squared, which is x squared plus 4 squared. So this can be left in this form or expanded depending on your needs. Now let's find the derivative of f of x equals e to the power x over x. Identifying our components, u is e to the power x, and its derivative u prime is also e to the power x. V is equal to x, and v prime will be equal to 1. Applying the rule, f prime of x, that is the derivative of f of x, will be equal to u prime, which is e to the power x, times v, which is x, minus u, which is e to the power x, times v prime, which is 1, over v squared, which is x squared. We can factor out e to the power x, so f prime of x will be equal to e to the power x times x minus 1 in parentheses divided by x squared. Here are the common mistakes to avoid. The derivative of u over v is not equal to u prime over v prime. This is a common error that will give you the wrong answer every time. Instead, you want to always use the quotient rule when functions are divided. And that is the derivative of u over v with respect to x will be equal to u prime times v minus u times v prime over v squared. Here's your challenge problem. Problem number 1. Find the derivative of f of x equals x squared plus 1 over x minus 2. Problem number 2. Find the derivative of f of x equals 2x over e to the power x. Take your time and work through each step systematically. Remember to identify u and v first, and then apply the formula carefully. Double check your signs. The subtraction in the numerator is where most common errors occur. Remember, low d high minus high d low. You've got this. The quotient rule looks complicated, but once you know the formula, it's just plug and go. With practice, it can become second nature. Remember the mnemonic, watch your signs, and work through each problem step by step. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And remember, math success starts when you stay on the fast track.